But I want to be king, man. You about him good, because me yourself never want to see a place where nobody can, you see me?
Well, for tell you the truth, you know, not even we don't know which part there. You see two of them big man, one of them big man there in our community. Them just lock him because them think say somebody big behind the shooting.
Well, I tell you the truth, my boss. It's a big war nearly broke out of our fighting and that. Because, I'm not going to say, it's like a politician involved in the shooting. You see me? The man on the other side say, yo, I'm going to get back somebody for that. The man just there go and hold the ground now still, you see it?
Yeah, man. I got them for do because we don't want to do war. So, King man soon up and running again. Just tell the man himself to go and hold it till him forward back.
Yeah, man, my general comment is a long time that hold the peace now. King man, I help with the peace thing and it's a good look for you now. We can't bother with the war thing.
Alright, my general. But before me leave, I want to have a word with Anis.
Yeah, man, my boss, man. She not a bar, man.
Alright.
Come here.
Okay, understand. It's no problem.
Over is what you're saying. But with you. But we can't tell you this, brother. You wouldn't expect the force to come tell you what go on. I can tell you this. None of them youth there, 13, 14, none of them youth they never know say, your nephew. And I can tell you, you know how we run ground. They would have come to you with that, straight up. So I can tell you, brother, you know how you feel deep in your heart about this, Lester. But trust me, no, man, don't put King or none of them youth there in your mind. Make this bury. Make this in your heart.
Not telling a lie in a savage. You have King under deep remembrance.
So, brother to brother, that are the reason why you put out a hit ban King.
King still alive. That means I don't put out no hit ban him. You ever hear none of my soldiers them a miss, brother? Eh? My soldiers them not send people to hospital. A dead house. But since you say no know nothing about it, I'll take your word for it.
So, if you don't have nothing to do with this, how in the first place you have King under agreement?
You know the little contractor boy where I deal with the housing project. Do you remember him name? Carlton them call him same one. I him come give me higher link, you know, brother, and I show me say him a first and knowledge. See a king bringing the police them and order the hit.
You know, sir, if I never hear you this, I have to look for you different. You are pre-king for bringing in police to take a hit by your nephew. And you take talk from a boy who mix up in a politics, brother. But you really are said to me, Carlton, come on, man. Him and him brother, I try to get rid of King. You don't see the play.
Yeah, makes sense, you know, brother. Yeah, makes sense.
Exactly. You want to make dollars, somebody have to make sense. So here we go on now. I go check King, because he need for knowing at them time. So you and him now under no war vibes, and you know preem. But guess what? We need to go right back in the days of Ray Ray. And me and you need to deal with that contractor boy. Yeah.
So how we ever deal with that?
Walk with me. Here we go now. brother politician, see?